dudes, it's Friday!
My name's Grumpy Jesse, and I don't like people. But I seen the charity thing that you're having online, and I donated $20.
Hey guys, well it's video number 10 of the World Wood Carvers, guys. I love the pictures, keep them coming, and thank you very much. Video number 10. Basically since, I don't know, April? So things are going pretty good and I've been pretty damn busy. You know, like if I miss some pictures in this video, guys, feel free to send them to me again at canadian1dude@gmail.com and I'll make sure to get them in the next video. I love the little funny videos you guys are sending too, you know, like getting the wood spirits to talk. That shit makes me laugh and I love it. So I just want to give a quick shout out to my new online friend from Scotland. His name is Alexander. He's a learning wood carver, and he's starting to do wood spirits. But he's a wicked pencil artist, or I don't know if it's charcoal, but it sure looks like pencil to me. But anyways, guys, I'm in Canada, Vancouver, British Columbia, and he drew this and sent it all the way to me. Look, guys, it's Lee. He took a still photo of one of my videos and drew this of Lee. Here's his signature, his date. But like, what a job, eh? You know, when I first started painting and drawing and stuff like that, I think if I was that good at drawing, I probably wouldn't have ended up carving because I would have been a good painter. But so Alex, thank you, man. I friggin' love it. I'm gonna put it in my backdrop for my in my carving wall so I can look at it all the time. It looks just like her. So you guys, for Paws, Alex, he has a Facebook site called Paws Portrats. It could be Paws and Portraits. Also, it's on Instagram, Paws Portraits, and it's gonna be and it's on YouTube, I believe. Paws Portraits. Alexander, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below, guys. But anyways, I'm gonna leave a link below for his, so you guys can check out his stuff. And please, you know, follow him on Instagram and follow him on Facebook. Great guy. I talk with him actually quite often. He's Scottish. I got some family in Belfast, Ireland, so I kind of know where he comes from. Anyways, thanks for the pics, guys. I gotta stop talking, or this video is gonna be way too long, and I've been really busy. And you guys start carving your Christmas stuff if you want to make some money carvings. It's time. That's why I've been so friggin' busy. But anyways, hope you're good. Ignore the hater comments. Keep carving, keep drawing, keep painting, do whatever you do. Thanks for everything, guys, and absolutely 1,000,000,000% thanks for all the support. It really means a lot to me. Hey Lee, what are you looking at? See something out there that I don't? Hey Lee, what are you looking at? Hey Lee, Lee, hey Lee, Lee. Oh, I know what you want. Want some treats?
Oh yeah, little spoiled Lee, eh? Yeah, little spoiled Lee. Okay, give me some treats here. Hey, want some treats?
Spoiled Lee. Hey Lee, how's the treats? Do you like being filmed when you're eating? Lee, hey! Never mind, Jordy, I'm busy.
Hi, Jordy. This is your friend Kim from Kalamazoo, Michigan. Just wanted to show you my first walking stick. It's a my wizard walking stick. He's pretty nice. and I thought that you might enjoy seeing him. Thanks again, buddy. Talk to you later.
Alright, today was face day. Little practice. These guys are spirits, so they don't get eyes. They just get the face. Now for some varnish.
Hey, Jordy, so this is David Wellman in North Carolina. Excuse me. North Carolina, USA. So this is my really my first wood spirit, I guess. And I'm a brand new baby carver. That's not what my mama said, but I look like one. Anyway, so this is Ralph. Hello, Frank. How you doing? What the hell you doing over here? Hey, where you go? Hey, stop moving. Hey, Jordy, I just want to tell you that I really like your videos. I like watching them. I think you're funny, and I think you're very talented. Would you hurry up? Would you kiss my ass? Really? Oh, you don't have one. Whose damn fault is that? Jordy, God bless you. Hope all you babies are born naked. Jordy, keep on getting it.
Here we go. Another piece of driftwood. Some wood spirits on it. Looks pretty cool. I might even stick this guy right into the piece of driftwood. Yeah. That's the baby. Alright, this was hand whittled. This scout camp. Hand whittled this walking stick at scout camp. Sweet.
Okay, she's coming along. Carving bench now got the holes in the top for the vacuum, keep all the dust down. Dremel supports, motor supports for the flexi shafts. We ended up with a few extra drawers, so I got my tools a little bit more put away instead of all out on the top of the table. Gotta love it. Be time to get out here and put it to work tomorrow.
Check it out.